Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you for tuning in to this video, and basically the beauty I regret to say is going to a new home. Yeah, so didn't want to sell it. Yeah, basically the GTR has been replaced. This video is just to basically show you what the replacement is. So there's been a lot of anticipation. Quite a few people have messaged me. But yeah, it's a change for the good, to be honest with you, with the way the world's going, with sustainability, etc. Obviously, the bigger the engine, the better, shall we say. But yeah, it's gone, and it has been replaced for... Welcome my new car, guys. This is the replacement of my Nissan GTR. The beloved Jap has made way for the fantastic Tesla. Now, as I mentioned, with the way the world's going, with there being quite a strong hold on sustainability, and obviously everybody taking a lot of care now with the ecosystem, it was just a joke about buying a bigger engine. I just think we should take care of the world more. So I've basically opted in for the electric version of the Tesla. So meet my new car, guys. There are going to be plenty of videos on this, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I want to be attracting everyone. So I mean, even if you're not interested in cars, I want you to hit subscribe just so you can watch what it's like to own an electric car. I want people that are thinking of buying Teslas, and I want the Tesla car community to follow me, because I want to show you guys how it is for myself going from a really big engined petrol vehicle and always driving petrol cars to turning to electric now. And following that, I'm going to have roughly around 15 episodes on me wrapping every single part of this car. So I'm going to show you guys DIY on how you wrap each section, how you remove specific parts in the vehicle, and we're going to do a bit of a customization episode set on this vehicle. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. It's just a quick snippet on me picking this up, showing you guys a few sharp angles on the vehicle, what it looks like. Thanks for tuning in to another video, guys. In today's video we are going to be showing you how to wrap a Tesla bonnet. So I'm going to run you through